My name is Michelle, but everybody calls me Mitch, and I would like to introduce myself. I'm 24 years old, and they are my family. Those pictures are pretty cool, and they are my first missionaries. I get baptized when I was 18. I'm from Mérida, Yucatan, in Mexico, and it's a really good place. It's really fun. It's full of culture, full of great food, and visit us. And currently I am studying college here in town. I am studying accounting in such a great university, and it's really fun. So currently I'm working in a little secondhand store online, and I would like to take advantage of social media tools, starting by learning the introduction and basics. So that's what I expect from this class.